we go from 23-24 backwards to 2022-23 O-Pee-Chee Platinum Hockey. 12 packs, 12 cards, one auto, lots of shiny goodness.
And we like the goodness. We like chunkies. We like shiny goodness. We love parallels. We love color
Acetate.
matches. Acetate, absolutely. Yep,
Got to get it in there.
of
Is
course.
there acetate in this set? Here, I'll bring it up.
I wouldn't be surprised. Let's see. But before we get to that, guys, the post is out in the Go GTS Live X account. Go ahead right now and repost it, and you make sure you're following us to have a chance to win the hits out of this box of 2022-23 O-Pee-Chee Platinum. In every box, you get one autograph card, 5 numbered base set parallels, 6 retro cards, 11 additional base set parallels, which could be a rainbow, sunset, and or matte pink, 12 inserts, which could be galvanized, photo-driven, and or sweet selections, and also 1 retro rainbow parallel. You got to shuffle. There you go. He's doing it. He's like a
I
dealer.
like it. Yep, shuffle those packs.
He does it well.
I'm excited. The liquid metal looks cool.
Yeah.
On the sell sheet, and there's
It's
a
a
$3.99, so that's hittable.
Yeah, it's a manageable base set. Looks like 300 base cards.
Ooh.
Timmy Stutzel, Tyler Toffoli, they're sharp. Sidney Crosby, James Hamglin, marquee rookie, Mark Kastelik, marquee rookie Pontus Holmberg, sweet selections Thomas Bordeleau. That's cool.
That is cool.
Marquee rookie.
What is this?
Platinum Nils. Amon. That's a rainbow.
Looks like a gator.
Parallel.
I want to see this. Yeah.
Looks like gator skin.
Magma.
JT Miller. Let's see what the back of that says. Numbered to 349. Hot magma.
Liquid hot magma.
Okay, that's a magma. Fun. That's cool. It looks cool. I like them.
Chris
Sharks
Kreiser.
with laser beams on their heads.
Drake Gatherson. Roman Yossi.
Austin Powers parallels. They could do it.
Yeah, liquid hot magma. Right? Yeah. I love it. You know what? We may need Austin Powers inspired parallels on some of this stuff. That would be nice.
Andrei Savichenkov. Anze Kopitar. Man, those are mirror. You can totally see my ceiling.
Oh yeah, and I can
cranking away.
Your webcam right there.
I mean, it's like a mirror.
Yeah.
Yep.
Marco Rossi.
Smile, Rob.
Reinhardt. Thomas Bordeleau. Another sweet selections. Jack Quinn. Oh, Matty Beniers for the Seattle Kraken.
It's a rookie.
Rookie retro action there.
That's cool. That's sharp. There's a Kirill.
Pink action, a little Kirill for you there, James. That's matte pink is what that's called.
Matte pink. Oh, yeah, that's one of the alsos.
Dawson Mercer and
11 of those. Rainbow Sunset and or matte pink.
I like those sunsets.
Yeah,
they're sharp. Yeah,
I really liked that retro, that shiny retro rookie.
That was sharp.
Yeah.
Peter Marzik, Johnny Gaudreau, Trevor Zegras, Jack McGain, Adam Raska, Jeff Marlowe, another one. That's a rainbow. Another one of those retro rookies, but this is a rainbow parallel of Andrei Kuzmenko. Rainbow.
Nice. There's a photo driven.
Nice. Victor Hedman. Chris Kaprizov.
Yep, sharp. Another retro. Yep, those are the retros look nice.
Philip Hornick. Mika Zibanejad. Linus Ullmark.
I like that the autographs are hard signed. That's always a good thing.
Vasily Podsklen, Troy Terry, Artemi Panarin, Philippe Roos, excuse me, David Jurczyk, Jonathan Bergeron. Another photo driven, this one of Carey Price. Rainbow Phil Kessel. Ooh, sparkly glitter.
Yeah,
of
wow.
Yeah.
Andrei Svenchtichov.
Good diamond.
Violet Pixels.
Oh yeah, we did see one of those. in another one.
$2.99.
Yeah, they're neat. Nice and shiny.
Yeah, that's cool. Thomas Chabot. Jesper Bratt.
He's a good player.
Mikhail Sergachev.
Upper Deck does a great job with their parallels. They really do.
Mhm.
They really stand out. The Pyros, those Pixels.
Yep. I hope we get a
Sunset.
liquid metal.
Yeah,
I
they're
wanna
really
see one.
sweet.
Clayton Keller. Quinn Hughes. David Pasternak. Jacob Perreault. Matej Blumel. William Bitten. Sweet selections. Kent Johnson. Rainbow Roop Hints. More than just a rainbow.
Yeah,
Artemi
what's this?
Panarin. What is that called? Arctic Freeze, numbered to 99.
That's cool.
That's fun. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like a little bit of the ice rink on that.
Oh yeah, I like
That's
that.
cool.
Yeah.
Matthew Tkachuk, Alex Iafallo, and Brandon Hagel.
Nice.
Evgeny Malkin, Vladimir Tarasenko, Spencer Knight, Juraj Slavevsky, marquee rookie Tyler Tucker, galvanized Michael Bunting,
Mm-hmm.
Sidney Crosby,
That's a nice
OPG Premier Rainbow Parallel. That is a
nice
nice
card.
Yeah. Sharp.
There's a regular Rainbow Parallel of this week's Off the Post from Russ Cohen. Check it out if you haven't on GoGTS.net. Igor Shishkinin. Ooh,
Yeah, wow.
Marquee rookie parallel of Eric Calligren, and this is called. Well, it's numbered to just 50, and it's a seismic gold.
Nice. That's a hit. That's nice.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Very cool. Boone Jenner, Philippe Forsberg, and Nicola Ehlers.
Nice. Some nice technology in these packs. Really nice.
Elias Lindholm, Adrian Kemp, Miro Heiskanen, Jacob Lacko, marquee rookie Shane Wright.
Yep, I like that S.
Marquee rookie Dylan Holloway, galvanized Braden Schneider, rainbow marquee rookie Owen Power.
That's a
There
good
we
one.
Go.
Yep.
Sure is. Let's see. We've got another parallel, Zach Hyman, and that's called a red prism, and it's numbered to 199.
Nice. It's one of the best features on all the cards, Rob. They actually put the Parallels name on the back.
I love it.
Yeah.
love it.
Yep.
Love it.
The best edition of any cards out there. They don't shy away from it. They let you know.
I love it. It helps so much.
No guessing.
Yes.
Especially if you're sending in for grading and stuff like that too.
Oh, of
You get it
course.
all right. Yeah. Really, really nice.
Alec
helpful.
Touche, Ivan Provorov, Kasperi Kapanen, marquee rookie Oscar Olofsson, marquee rookie Noah Cates, marquee rookie Braden Tracy, galvanized Jeremy Swayman, Clayton Keller, retro.
Cool. Ooh.
Ooh. There you go.
And there's Sunset Parallel, Alex DeBrincat. That's
They're beaut.
beautiful. I love
Yeah.
it. That is just gorgeous. Gorgeous. Mitch Marner, Tyson Berry, and Eric Carlson.
Nice.
So apparently that Crosby is a very rare hit with no odds. Here, I'm going to bring up Opa Klingon style loyal viewer. Rare hit, no odds to pull. One of those are listed.
Oh, wow. Very cool.
Yeah.
All right.
And the fact that it's Sid the Kid, that even makes it better.
Yeah, right.
Gotta love it.
Jacob Voracek, Jonathan Marichal, Josh Anderson, marquee rookie Lucas Johansson, marquee rookie Hayden Hodgins, marquee rookie Vladislav Kolochoinek, photo-driven Owen Power, Sonny Milano, retro,
It's a cool name. Sonny Milano.
marquee rookie Matt Pink, Philippe Kral, Isaac Lundstrom, Tristan Jerry, and Dylan Cousins.
Nice.
All right. Jake Gensel, Logan Couture, Nathan Smith, marquee rookie Nick Abruzze, marquee rookie Jacob Galvis, sweet selections Mads Sagard, another retro Peyton Krebs, sunset marquee rookie Brandon Bird.
Mm-hmm. Oh, there you go.
Hey. Nice. Oh, those are cool.
It's your liquid metal.
Isaac Lundstrom,
You
Yeah,
got
I
it,
like that.
James.
Uh-huh.
You called it.
numbered to 349.
I want
Yeah,
to see what
those
a purple
look-
houndstooth is.
Connor Brown, I'll do my best. Jack Eichel, Sean Coutier.
Just putting out a request to see a purple houndstooth. It
What are
sounds
those?
funky. They're numbered out at 15. No pressure.
Sebastian Aho, Jonathan Hooperdale, Leon Draisaitl, marquee rookie Jacob Mauvray, marquee rookie Mitchell Chafe, marquee rookie Creighton Corsack, photo-driven Trevor Zagras, retro Peter Kochikov, rookie.
If your name's Peter, change it to that spelling. I like it.
Exactly. John Gibson, Sunset Parallel, Aaron Ekblad, Anthony Sorelli, John Marino. All right, last pack. So this must have the auto in it.
Ooh, you shuffled
Last
them
pack
well.
magic. Yeah.
Wow. That's a good shuffle.
He's a magician.
Matt Duchesne,
I see some color.
Igor Shurshkinin, Ryan Johansson, marquee rookie Owen Power, Marquee rookie Niles Amon. Marquee rookie Jake Christensen.
Yeah.
Photo driven Shane Wright.
Uh,
Ryan Johansson, Rainbow.
mm. Ew.
There we go.
Hey, yeah.
Nice. Jonathan
one.
Huberto, blue auto. Very cool.
That's
Yeah.
a nice look.
Nice.
Yeah,
Always good to get a star.
sure.
Very,
Nice.
very nice. Cam Atkinson,
nice.
Ryan O'Reilly, and Rasmus Dahlin. All right. We are going to give the auto to one winner, Jonathan Huberto. We're going to give that
Yeah.
Sidney Crosby OPC Premier to a second winner. We are going to give the Seismic Gold numbered to 50 to a third winner.
That seismic gold looks nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like disco gold.
And we're going to give the rest of this shiny goodness to one winner.
Nice.
So 4 winners from that box.
Shiny
5
goodness.
winners altogether. Yeah.
Shiny goodness pile is always the best. Look at all
Yeah.
that. Oh, look at all that good stuff. Yeah. That's great.
You just want to dive into it, don't you, James? It's beauty.
Indeed.
Oh, yeah.